Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GetResponse, one of the best all-in-one email marketing tools out there. Whether you are a small business owner, a content creator, or just starting your email list, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get started the right way. Let's jump in. What is GetResponse? GetResponse is more than just an email marketing tool. It lets you send newsletters, build automation, create landing pages, and even host webinars all from one place. All from one place. We will focus today on the essentials: building an email list, creating your first campaign, and sending emails. So, first of all, head over to getresponse.com and click sign up for free. Enter your full name, email address, then create a strong password and click create free account. Also, you can sign up with your Google or Microsoft account. If you have an account, click login and enter your email and password, then click the box, then login. Or create a new account for this tutorial. I will create paste create free account or continue with your Google. Once you're in, just complete the process. Enter your email, company name, address, etc. Fill the required field. Once you are in, on the left, you have got options for email marketing. Let's start by adding some contacts and building your email list. Go to Contacts tab, then click Create List. Give your list a name like first list. Then click Create. Something like you can you can use name the like Newsletter 2025 and hit Create. To add contacts manually, click Add Contacts. Paste or upload a CSV file. Don't worry if you don't have contacts yet. We will set up a sign up form next. Now go to Tools section, then Forms and Pop-ups, and choose a template. Click create, then next, then choose a template. From here, you can drag and drop fields, customize the headline and match the colors to your brand. Once done, publish the form. You will get an embed code to add to your website or landing page. Now, again click on Tools button, then Email Marketing. And click Create Newsletter. Choose your list from here. Write a catchy subject line and hit Next. Here you can design your email using the drag and drop editor, add text, images, buttons, and even social links. It's super intuitive. Once your email looks good, either send it immediately or schedule it for later. Want to automate your emails? GetResponse lets you do that too. Go to marketing automation from tools tab. Marketing automation or automation, then create workflow. For example, you can send a welcome email automatically when someone joins your list, or create an entire email funnel based on user actions. After you send your email, head over to the email marketing section to see reports, or clicking by reports tab, you will see open rates, click through, click-throughs, and even who clicked which links. This data helps you improve future emails. And that's it. You have just learned how to start with GetResponse, from building your list to sending your first email. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment if you want a full automation and or a landing page tutorial next. Thanks for watching and see you soon.